100th anniversary. Ability develop. Absolute value. Absolute zero. Absorb radiation. Abundant element. Abundant mineral. Accept suggestion. Access equipment. Accurate measurement. Accurate description. Accurate prediction. Accurate knowledge. Accurate estimate. Accurate value. Accurately portray. Accurately calculate. Accurately measure. Accurately control. Act differently. Active system. Active detection. Active pattern. Activity level. Activity plan. Actual structure. Actual amount. Actual speed. Actual temperature. Actual outcome. Actually see. Actually small. Add energy. Addition note. Additional quantity. Advanced project. Advanced stage. Advanced concept. Aerospace engineer. Afford protection. Against radiation. Age estimation. Agency company. Air equipment. Alert system. ALA recovery. Almost equal. Almost independent. Almost overwhelming. Along highway. Also sensitive. Alternate method. Alternative mechanism. Alternative way. Alternative definition. Aluminum plate. Always keep. Always know. Always good. Always great. Ambitious program. American scientist. American team. American astronomer. Amount equal. Analysis time. Analysis operation. Analysis processing. Analytical model. Ancient life. Ancient philosophy. Ancient story. Ancient Chinese. Ancient name. Angular momentum. Angular displacement. Angular distribution. Announce intention. Antarctic circle. Apparent change. Appropriate name. Approximate number. Approximate calculation. Aqueous solution. Arbitrary point. Argument point. Arouse enthusiasm. Art category. Artificial reservoir. Asteroid belt. Asteroid strike. Astrological sign. Astronomical observation. Astronomical observatory. Atmosphere system. Atmosphere surround. Atmospheric research. Atomic nucleus. Atomic force. Atomic physics. Atomic mass. Atomic absorption. Atomic clock. Attitude control. Attractive force. Attractive quality. Audible sound. Authorization Act. Autumn evening. Autumnal equinox. Average density. Average thickness. Average period. Average velocity. Average altitude. Average high. Avoid collision. Avoid exposure. Avoid confusion. Avoid contamination. Background radiation. Background light. Backward motion. Bad omen. Balance force. Bar shape. Bar structure. Barely able. Barely visible. Basal cell. Base compound. Base structure. Base color. Base class. Base frequency. Basic definition. Basic category. Battery technology. Be infinite. Be asleep. Be special. Be stationary. Be straight. Be trouble. Be encouraging. Be somewhere. Be unwise. Be punctual. Be stuck. Beam energy. Become fast. Become invisible. Become target. Become sensitive. Begin operation. Begin construction. Behave similarly. Below limit. Big change. Big island. Big question. Big difference. Big threat. Big bounce. Big mass. Big star. Binary system. Binding energy. Biological product. Bit sequence. Black hole. Black spot. Black dot. Black line. Black color. Black background. Black patch. Blind spot. Block element. Block signal. Blue ocean. Blue hue. Blue moon. Blue cloud. Blue haze. Bond length. Bottom row. Bottom part. Bottom corner. Bounce off. Boundary condition. Bowl shape. Breeder reactor. Brief flash. Brief span. brief glance, briefly introduce, bright star, bright spot, bright point, bright sunlight, bright region, bright ring, bright blue, bright flash, bright fire, bright planet, bright sun, bright moon, brightness level, broad spectrum, broad subject, broadcast time, broadly similar, brown spot, brute force, burial mound, burning process, bus service, calculate speed, calendar clock, cancel out, capacity limit, capillary tube, capture process, car accident, car seat, carbon atom, carbon material, careful analysis, carrier signal, carry passenger, case system, casual observer, catastrophic risk, category level, cathode ray, cause explosion, cause deformation, cause fluctuation, cause upset, cave entrance, Cayman Islands, celestial sphere, cellular structure, center point, center core, center location, center circle, central star, central hole, central bulge, central nucleus, central importance, centrifugal force, centripetal force, certain class, certain effect, certain sign, certain threshold, certain direction, chain ring, challenging problem, change gradually, change flavor, change mode, change arrangement, chaotic motion, characteristic line, charge distribution, charge mass, charge exchange, charge field, charge structure, charge measurement, chemical structure, chemical symbol, chemical experiment, chemical rocket, chemistry engineering, chief designer, Chinese language, Chinese program, circular orbit, circular motion, circular area, circular ring, cirrus cloud, site evidence, claim ownership, claim right, class size, classical physics, classical theory, classified information, classify information, clear image, clear night, clear separation, clear description, clear meaning, clearly demonstrate, clearly separate, click link, climb wall, clockwise direction, close encounter, close view, close distance, cloud layer, cloud form, cloud image, cluster structure, cluster center, cluster size, coherent state, cold surface, collect energy, collective work, collision course, colloquial expression, color code, color object, column cell, combination process, combination model, combine effort, come outside, commemorate anniversary, commercial application, commercial space, commercial services, common component, common mechanism, common target, common perception, common kind, common terminology, common point, communication network, communication power, communication unit, companion star, company plan, comparatively low, compare method, competent management, compile list, complete program, complete theory, complete absence, complete round, complete circuit, complete range, complete way, completely stop, completely obscure, completely dark, completely transparent, completely solid, completely explain, complex compound, complex calculation, complex function, complex processing, complex number, complex field, complicated system, complicated structure, component structure, composite image, composition distribution, compound formula, comprehensive comparison, computer processing, computer control, computing resource, concentration field, concept vehicle, conception model, concrete block, conditioning equipment, conditioning heating, conduct search, conduct test, cone shape, confidence level, conscious effort, conservation energy, conserve energy. Consider option, consider together, considerable interest, considerable advance, consist mostly, constant velocity, constant motion, constant time, constant use, constant amount. Constantly develop, constantly grow, construct design, construction development, construction base, consume energy, consume fuel, consumer protection, consumer grade, contact state. Contain carbon, contain salt, continental crust, continually expand, continue indefinitely, continuous spectrum, continuous motion, continuous measurement, continuous model, control method. Conventional sense, conversion rate, cool air, cool day, copper tube, core temperature, core material, core structure, core area, core zone. Correct position, correct use, correct value, correctly identify, corresponding point, corresponding time, corresponding number, cosmic dust, cosmological model, cost performance. Counterculture, country name, crater floor, crater lake, create union, create friction, create application, create energy, create momentum, create resistance. Crescent moon, crescent shape, critical level, critical value, critical temperature, critical pressure, critical velocity, critical view, cross path, crust mantle. Crystalline substance, cubic meter, cubic centimeter, cultural viewpoint, cultural reference, culture life, current flow, current condition, current theory, current concept. Current event, current position, current size, current age, current topic, current expansion, current focus, current layer, current mission, currently active. Curve method, curve fit, cut surface, cycle phase, dark matter, dark spot, dark energy, dark side, dark line, dark sky. Dark patch, dark material, dark red, dark part, dark cloud, dark night, dark face, dark object, dark star, data handling. Data analyze, data information, data reveal, decay process, deceptive practice, decrease energy, decrease markedly, deep impact, deep space, deep crust. Deep river, deep penetration, deep blue, deep crater, deep sky, deep process, deepen understanding, Defense Department, define standard, definitive evidence. Dense atmosphere, dense water, dense cloud, dense type, dense phase, density profile, density wave, density flow, deny report, deposit area. Depth study, describe object, description type, deserve credit, design capacity, design state, destroy civilization, detailed description, detailed map, detailed image. Detailed mapping, detailed process, detailed survey, detailed commentary, detailed investigation, detect signal, detect method, detect object, detect technique, detection range. Detection report, detection system, determine distance, develop notion, development capability, development characteristic, deviation value, device system, diagram represent, diametrically opposed. Differ widely, differ radically, difference meter, difference value, different composition, different component, different side, different distribution, different wavelength, different law. Different planet, different application, different mass, different picture, different quantity, different story, different arrangement, different flow, different star, different charge. Different configuration, difficult access, difficult challenge, direct sun, direct line, direct transmission, direct signal, directly impact, directly determine, directly create. Discharge lamp, discovery method, discovery system, discrete set, displacement characteristic, display range, display model, display view, display device, disputerize. Disruptive innovation, dissipate heat, distance meter, distance light, distance scale, distant object, distant galaxy, distant planet, distant star, distinct value. Distinguish method, distribution map, distribution density, distribution mode, doctoral student, document solution, Doppler shift, dose effect, double digit, double function. Doubt exist, downward movement, dramatically affect, dramatically improve, draw map, drink milk, drive speed, drop sharply, drop rapidly, dual nature. Due time, due procedure, due form, dung beetle, during morning, dust storm, dust devil, dynamic characteristic, dynamic quality, dynamical system. Early universe, early observation, early formation, early exploration, early autumn, early experience, early identification, early success, early discovery, early December. Earth rotation, Earth mass, Earth revolve, Earth plane, Earth space, Earth rock, Earth tide, Earth life, earthquake occur, earthquake activity. Earthquake disaster, easily fit, easily distinguish, easily detect, easily visualize, easterly wind, eastern side, easy way, easy target, effective plan. Effectively protect, efficiency decrease, elastic plastic, electric force, electrical charge, electrical conductivity, electrical discharge, electrical current, electromagnetic energy, electromagnetic force. Electron beam, electron positron, electron transfer, electron density, electron spin, electron laser, electronic technology, electronic structure, electronics technology, element model. Element name, elementary particle, elevated concentration, elliptical galaxy, elliptical orbit, elliptical shape, emission system, enable system, endless space, energy level. Energy state, energy density, energy momentum, energy generation, energy flux, energy output, energy radiation, energy transition, energy difference, energy measure. Energy transform, energy conservation, energy field, energy wave, energy unit, energy distribution, energy exchange, energy surface, energy variation, energy conversion. Energy law, energy separation, engineering challenge, enhanced stability, enjoy view, enormous size, enormous scale, enormous undertaking, enough mass, enough energy, enough information, enough material, enter orbit, entertainment center, entire planet, entire day, entire spectrum, entire structure, entirely replace, entirely distinct. Environment day, environmental monitoring, equal part, equal probability, equal distance, equal thickness, equal time, equal mass, equal length, equally distribute. Equipment operation, equipment condition, equivalence relation, error control, error margin, escape system, especially noticeable, establish union, estimate system, European network. European team, even strong, evening star, evening newscast, evening sky, eventual fate, eventually cause, eventually allow, evidence law, evolutionary path. Exact position, exact value, exact number, exact size, exact length, exactly equal, exactly match, example choose, exceptionally low, excitation source, excited state, exclude possibility, exhibition hall, exist condition, exit system, expand boundary, expand fast, expansion rate, expansion space, expect future, expect return, experiment design, experiment indicate, experiment demonstrate, experiment report, experimental device, experimental result, experimental observation, experimental value, experimental physics, experimental confirmation, expert testimony, explicitly define, exploration program, exploration system, explore effect, explore space, explosion cause, exponential increase, exponential function, exposure time, express hope, extend arm, extensive information, extinct volcano, extreme point, extreme risk, extremely close, extremely cold, extremely thin, extremely short, extremely dark, extremely dense, extremely fast, extremely rich, extremely dynamic, extremely efficient, extremely narrow, extremely detailed, extremely impressive. Eye pupil, face turn, failure cause, failure model, faint light, fairly accurate, fairly long, fairly small, fairly limited, fairly close, fairly stable, fall point, fall gradually, falling star, family look, family portrait, famous spot, far distant, far future, fast computer, fast speed, fast reactor, fast reaction, fast travel, fast detection, fast way, favorable time, feature analysis, feed production, feedback effect, feedback form, female sex, few second, few factor, field strength, field guide, field name, fiery red, fill material, filler material, film plate, final choice, final blow, final approach, finally become, finally begin, find planet, find space, find ratio, find direction, finding mission, find material, fine grain, fine tune, fine structure, finite volume, finite size, firmly rooted, first mission, first object, first launch, first principle, first arrival, first landing, first suggestion, first visit, first approach, first minute, first sample, first consideration, first glimpse, first look, first reaction, first plan, first hear, first venture, first passenger, first solution, first syllable, first bounce, first passage, first thought, fissile material, fission reactor, fission reaction, fixed service, flaming fire, flashlight, flat disk, flat plane, flight center, flight trajectory, flight duration, float freely, float above, flooding water, floral pattern, fluid motion, fluid state, fluid structure, fly low, fly route, following reason, force field, force structure, foreign service, foreign supplier, form element, formal definition, formal name, formation evolution, formation process, formation rate, formation mechanism, formation model, former star, former case, forward direction, fracture surface, fracture system, framework model, free electron, free enterprise, free transport, free path, free float, free reign, free surface, free floating, freely accessible, frequency band, frequency radiation, frequently visit, frozen ice, fruitless search, fuel supply, full phase, full rotation, full power, full expression, full glare, full cycle, full explanation, full intensity, full treatment, full video, fully appreciate, fully mature, function mode, function position, fundamental force, fundamental theory, fundamental property, fundamental understanding, fundamental factor, fundamental research, further analysis, further evaluation, further collapse, further observation, further understand, further determine, further search, fusion reaction, fusion process, fusion rate, fusion reactor, fusion energy, future mission, future plan, gain energy, galactic core, galactic center, galaxy cluster, gap structure, garden house, gas release, gas mixture, gas medium, gas density, gas mask, gas jet, gas lamp, gas discharge, gas state, gaseous state, gauge field, general relativity, general acceptance, general nature, general shape, generate current, generate light, generate image, generation power, generation device, generation control, generator set, generator unit, gently push, gently roll, geological map, geological feature, geomagnetic field, geometric model, geostationary satellite, get prize, get help, giant planet, giant star, giant impact, giant rock, gift shop, give proof, give respect, give reward, glancing blow, global average, global risk, global study, global view, global image, global company, glow light, go day, go early, go ahead, golden brown, good place, good value, good guess, good conductor, good deed, good opportunity, good order, good agreement, good image, good part, good ground, good resolution, good accuracy, GPS satellite, gradually lower, grand theory, grand finale, grand design, gravitational field, gravitational attraction, gravitational wave, gravitational tug, gravity pull, gravity force, great accuracy, great mass, great river, great care, great mystery, great possibility, great detail, great attraction, great grandfather, great surprise, great wall, greatly exaggerated, Greek goddess, green collar, green light, gray area, ground station, ground soil, groundbreaking work, hailstorm, half empty, half day, hand report, happy mood, hard crust, harness energy, harsh reality, have momentum, have inclination, have nickname, have symbol, have talk, have companion, have expectation, have fault, have majority, have signature, have discount, have communication, have intelligence, have possibility, heat flow, heat rise, heat storage, heat shield, heat conduction, heat conduct, heat effect, heating effect, heating mechanism, heating problem, heating equipment, heavily affect, heavy water, high activity, high contrast, high conductivity, high humidity, high potential, high orbit, high accuracy, high stress, high affinity, high radiation, high brightness, high place, high vacuum, high charge, high cliff, high technique, high threshold, highly viscous, highly stable, highly competent, highly irregular, highly soluble, hilly terrain, historical observation, historical writing, historically important, history research, hit earth, hitherto unknown, hold party, hollow tube, horse riding, hot point, hot weather, hot core, hot air, house number, huge reservoir, huge cloud, huge volume, huge size, huge star, human geography, human exploration, human spaceflight, humid air, hydrogen atom, hydrogen gas, hydrogen fuel, hydrogen bond, hydrogen energy, ice form, ice field, ice layer, ice skater, icy moon, ignition point, illustrate aspect, image capture, image resolution, image analysis, image region, image system, image display, imaginary line, immediately rush, immediately obvious, immediately call, impact process, impact point, impact site, impending doom, important clue, important consequence, important significance, important application, important sense, important measurement, important mission, important philosopher, impression material, improved technology, inactive state, incident report, inclined plane, incoming missile, increase gradually, increase knowledge, increase ratio, increasingly rapid, increasingly specialized, increasingly unstable, independent research, independent existence, independent analysis, independent type, independent evidence, Indian language, Indian plate, indirect lighting, industry corporation, infinite space, infinite universe, influence public, information office, information network, information application, information model, infrared wavelength, infrared light, infrared emission, infrared ray, infrared camera, initial period, initial condition, initial observation, initial growth, initial finding, initial energy, initial reaction, initial burst, initially suggest, inland sea, inner system, inner planet, inner edge, inner shell, inner ring, inner structure, inner region, innovative concept, input signal, inseparable part, inspire fear, install network, instance state, integer number, integer value, integral number, integrate circuit, intelligence AI, intelligent life, intelligent control, intense sunlight, intense radiation, intense focus, interact directly, interference effect, interior structure, interior region, intermediate state, intermediate step, intermediate temperature, internal heat, internal pressure, internal temperature, internal field, internal heating, internal matter, internal reflection, international team, international day, international support, international consensus, international incident, international rule, international space, internationally recognize, interpretation model, interstellar medium, interstellar space, interstellar dust, intrinsic property, introductory text, inversely proportional, investigation result, inward migration, ionization detector, iron core, iron content, iron alloy, irregularly shaped, Italian painter, Japanese culture, joint mission, just arrive, just call, just leave, keep position, King Street, know precisely, knowledge structure, label element, lack challenge, lag behind, lake bed, landform, land safely, language source, large crater, large galaxy, large telescope, large basin, large diameter, large radius, large cluster, large reservoir, large sheet, large disk, large angle, large arc, laser pulse, last attempt, last step, last stage, last mission, last opportunity, late winter, later research, later section, lateral movement, launch rocket, launch vehicle, launch spacecraft, launch project, launch pad, launch date, launch plan, launch version, launch time, lava flow, leak rate, leap second, least energy, leave mark, left edge, left corner, legitimate use, less favorable, less affected, lie middle, life detection, life quality, life waste, light travel, light frequency, light pollution, light energy, light blue, light heat, light speed, light display, light absorption, light material, light illumination, light beam, light reflection, light point, lightning bolt, lightning storm, like atmosphere, like nature, limited information, line distance, linear accelerator, liquid layer, liquid form, liquid helium, list type, list number, literal meaning, little while, little comfort, little significance, little possibility, live broadcast, living room, local group, local time, local standard, locate place, logarithmic spiral, long exposure, long beard, long journey, long passage, long voyage, long march, long axis, long break, long experience, long travel, long view, look directly, look identical, lose soil, lose material, lose energy, lose momentum, lose sight, lose status, lose contact, lost city, low orbit, low resolution, low altitude, low gravity, low coverage, low expectation, low strength, low table, low threshold, loyal support, lunar eclipse, lunar mission, lunar calendar, lunar landing, lunar rock, lunar cycle, lunar crater, lunar exploration, lunar module, lunar month, lunar lander, magnetic pull, magnetic strength, magnetic storm, magnetic material, magnetic energy, main sequence, main mechanism, main aspect, main attraction, main content, main region, main stage, mainly concentrate, mainly concentrated, maintain record, major process, major use, major leap, make drawing, make suggestion, make conclusion, make investigation, make movement, make modification, make bomb, make experiment, make story, manned mission, manual method, many word, many day, map image, marine science, mark boundary, mark phase, mark passage, mass spectrometer, mass communication, mass suicide, mass distribution, massive star, massive object, massive galaxy, massive force, massive whole, material transport, material surface, mathematical technique, mathematical definition, matter wave, matter settle, maximum temperature, maximum strength, maximum distance, maximum density, maximum thickness, maximum degree, mean time, mean distance, mean velocity, mean deviation, mean curvature, mean square, measure size, measure precision, measure accuracy, measure instrument, measure system, measure technique, measured value, measurement error, measurement time, measurement part, measurement unit, measurement model, measuring instrument, mechanical effect, mechanical system, mechanical clock, mechanical structure, medical product, medical therapy, meeting begin, mere illusion, merger process, message reach, metal element, metal plate, metal layer, metal foil, metamorphic rock, meteor shower, meteor crater, microwave background, microwave radiation, microwave measurement, midday sun, midnight sun, mild case, military satellite, military communication, mineral deposit, miniature version, minimum distance, minimum temperature, minimum mean, minor planet, minor improvement, minor amount, minus sign. Mislead public, missile launch, missile test, mission plan, mix ratio, mixing ratio, mobile system, mobile unit, mobile service, mobile communication. Model calculation, model description, model state, model type, moderate range, moderately large, modern model, modern fiction, modern version, modern Chinese. Modern civilization, modern medium, molecule structure, molten core, momentum transfer, month period, moon orbit, moon surface, moon appear, moon god. Moon phase, moon rise, moonlight, more transparent, more eccentric, more obvious, more notable, more insight, more interest, more youthful. More blurred, more diffuse, more opaque, more spectacular, more exotic, more support, more unstable, more financial, more pressure, morning sky. Most brilliant, most detailed, most energetic, most favorable, most remote, most stable, most eccentric, most precise, most convenient, most graphic. Most eminent, most bright, mostly focus, motion velocity, move backwards, move apart, move outward, move inside, moving object, moving point. Much discussion, much controversy, much significant, much significance, multiple component, multiple field, museum piece, mutual attraction, mysterious phenomenon, naming convention. Naming system, narrow strip, national aeronautics, national project, national regulation, natural color, natural consequence, natural caller, natural calamity, natural phenomena. Natural view, nature law, naval fleet, navigation system, navigation satellite, near infrared, nearby star, nearby galaxy, nearly circular, nearly same. Nearly perfect, nearly round, nearly transparent, nearly reach, nearly constant, nearly black, nearly flat, nearly dead, necessarily reflect, necessary consequence. Necessary precondition, negative charge, negative energy, negative number, neon sign, nerve impulse, net rate, neutron capture, neutron source, never again. New horizon, new object, new ground, new house, new observation, new objective, newspaper report, next time, next cycle, nickel alloy. Nighttime sky, noise sound, nonlinear process, normal tissue, normal day, normal distribution, normally occur, north polar, notable feature, novel concept. Now go, nuclear fusion, nuclear reaction, nuclear fission, nuclear force, nuclear physics, nuclear explosion, nuclear fuel, nuclear energy, nuclear structure. Nuclear matter, nuclear physicist, nuclear proliferation, nuclear charge, nuclear transfer, numerical simulation, object region, object value, object plan, object space. Object name, observable universe, observed directly, obvious problem, obvious effect, occasionally occur, occur occasionally, occurrence time, ocean basin, ocean energy. Ocean tide, ocean development, official definition, official name, official status, officially adopt, old map, old film, old population, old myth. Old calendar, once month, 1/20th, ongoing activity, ongoing project, online tool, online dictionary, only field, only system, only source. Only chance, only prove, open window, open question, operation adjustment, operation plan, operational life, opposite charge, opposite sign, opposite position, opposite case, optical communication, optical telescope, optical characteristic, optical microscope, optical spectrum, optical effect, optical equipment, optical system, oral presentation, orange light, orange color, orbit control, orbit determination, order date, ordinary matter, ordinary experience, original name, original meaning, original object, original program, original composition, original thinker, original structure, original selection, originally propose, other civilization, other path, other destination, outcome measurement, outer planet, outer shell, outer part, outer ring, outer crust, outer limit, outermost ring, output signal, outstanding contribution, outward flow, over horizon, overall understanding, overhead projector, overhead view, own research, own project, own vehicle, own capability, own plan, oxygen atom, paddle wheel, pale blue, paper document, paper report, paper release, parallel motion, parallel universe, parallel plane, parameter estimate, partial eclipse, particle physics, particle accelerator, particle detector, particle number, particular advantage, particular genre, particular event, particular challenge, particular aspect, particular frequency, particular model, particular thought, particular word, particularly valuable, particularly easy, particularly helpful, particularly bright, particularly effective, particularly good, particularly interesting, particularly great, particularly active, partly responsible, pass directly, patch hole, pattern structure, peak rate, peak temperature, people offer, percentage fall, perfect sphere, perfect order, perfectly smooth, perfectly circular, periodic change, periodic event, periodical change, permanent damage, permanent feature, permanently attach, perpendicular line, personal observation, perspective view, perspective effect, phase angle, phase shift, phase energy, philosophical idea, photoelectric effect, photographic equipment, photographic record, photon emission, photon detector, physical universe, physical size, physical explanation, physical principle, physical existence, physical interpretation, physics study, physics experiment, physics laboratory, physics problem, pink-red, pixel mapping, plane region, plan future, plane system, planet Jupiter, planetary body, planetary motion, planning stage, planning phase, plate boundary, plus sign, point size, polar ice, political unrest, poor conductor, poor population, popular view, popular science, popular application, position statement, position measurement, positioning system, positive energy, positive part, possible state, possible value, possible site, possible option, possible outcome, possible existence, potential target, potential need, potential role, potentially cause, pour water, power output, power flow, practically unknown, precisely measure, precision measurement, precision instrument, predict model, preferred direction, preliminary design, present value, presently available, pressure experiment, pressure inside, prevent development, prevent decay, prevent spread, prevent collision, prevent formation, prevent collapse, prevent heat, prevent escape. Previous century, primary feature, primary period, prime candidate, prime target, primitive nature, principal investigator, pristine condition, private entity, private venture. Private enterprise, processing unit, processing system, produce image, produce catalog, production power, production element, program plan, progress rate, project stage. Prominent member, promising candidate, proper distance, proper size, property element, property structure, proportion increase, provide transport, psychiatric hospital, psychological world. Public campaign, pure water, pure substance, pure brightness, purely psychological, push time, quantum state, quantum number, quantum effect, quantum field. Quantum entanglement, quantum system, quantum tunneling, quantum cryptography, quarter mile, query result, question exist, quick succession, quick shower, quickly realize. Quite strong, quite large, quite rare, quite young, quite far, radar image, radar signal, radiant energy, radiate energy, radiate heat. Radiation therapy, radiation protection, radiation level, radio telescope, radio signal, radio astronomy, radio receiver, radio communication, radio program, radio antenna. Radio message, radio transmitter, radioactive waste, radius measurement, random direction, random number, random sequence, rank order, rapid motion, rapid drop. Rapid inflation, rapidly shrink, rare type, rate detection, rather unusual, rational explanation, ray tube, ray source, ray radiation, ray emission. Reach orbit, reach speed, reach consensus, reactor control, readily discernible, real value, realistic model, realistic value, realize possibility, really happen. Reasonably good, reasonably accurate, receive input, receive recognition, receive letter, receive reply, receiving station, recent proposal, reconnaissance satellite, recovery program. Recovery project, red planet, reference plane, reference book, reference level, reference number, reflective surface, regime change, regional organization, regular cycle. Regular life, regular form, regulatory commission, reject claim, related technology, related event, relative motion, relative strength, relative distance, relative phase. Relative location, relative mass, relative speed, relative uncertainty, relatively more, relatively brief, relatively less, relatively shallow, relatively steady, relatively insignificant. Relatively scarce, relatively free, relatively big, relatively clear, relatively empty, relatively tiny, relatively frequent, relatively good, relatively loose, relatively thick. Relativity theory, release plan, release process, release rate, relevant development, reliable mechanism, reliable man, religious aspect, remarkably stable, remarkably close. Remember name, remote region, remote system, remote chance, remote past, repeat cycle, report question, represent value, repulsive force, require energy. Research review, research object, resolve problem, resonance frequency, resonance mechanism, rest area, rest time, result orientation, retain heat, retain information. Retrograde motion, return mission, return date, reverse direction, reverse process, right corner, right answer, right direction, right equipment, ring structure, ring size, ring shape, rise early, rock dust, rock salt, rock carving, rocket fuel, rocket motor, rocket fire, rocky planet. Root cause, rotate clockwise, rotate counterclockwise, rotation system, rotation speed, rough calculation, roughly circular, roughly similar, roughly parallel, rounding error. Sabbath day, same composition, same distance, same fate, same place, same use, same class, same paper, same elevation, same scale. Same view, same formula, same substance, same charge, same product, same configuration, same distribution, same signature, same circle, same axis. Sand beach, satellite system, satellite service, satellite tracking, satellite transmission, satellite navigation, satellite program, satellite receiver, satellite communication, satellite signal. Satellite phone, satisfactorily explain, saturation level, scale model, scale unit, scanning image, science laboratory, science experiment, science team, science institute. Science survey, scientific use, scientific exploration, scientific experiment, scientific explanation, scientific observation, scientific expedition, scientific model, scientific controversy, scientific contribution. Scientist propose, scientist claim, search program, seasonal cycle, second source, second approach, second round, second pass, second syllable, sectional shape. See perspective, see universe, seed sprout, seismic wave, seismic activity, seismic vibration, self-correct, send letter, sensitive instrument, sentence death. Separate material, separate way, separate individual, separate state, separation force, sequential number, series test, series number, serious risk, several program. Several occasion, several night, severe weather, shallow soil, share transfer, sharp tip, sharp change, shell model, shell structure, shift position. Shine light, shine brightly, shooting star, short list, short lifetime, short pulse, short wave radio, show detail, show around, show strength. Show symbol, show product, shuttle mission, side face, side table, sign indicate, signal transmit, signal noise, signal strength, significant research. Significant quantity, significant fraction, significant disruption, similar appearance, similar conclusion, similar event, similar meaning, similar material, similar age, similar feature. Simple case, simple formula, simple element, simple filter, simple type, simplified view, simply describe, simulation system, simulation indicate, single electron, single photon, single state, single entity, single area, single particle, single nucleus, single atom, single feature, single instant, single element. Size limit, size fit, skin lesion, skin cancer, slightly low, slightly reduce, slightly small, slightly cool, slightly weak, slightly inclined. Slow reaction, slow time, slowly change, slowly move, small planet, small crater, small station, small pit, small angle, small gap. Small pocket, small step, small opening, small decrease, small increase, small perturbation, small radius, small bowl, small world, small block, small valley, small chunk, small incident, small lump, small wheel, small cluster, small deviation, small fault, smoke detector, snow line. So powerful, so strong, so extreme, so bright, so complete, so energetic, so massive, so impossible, so insignificant, soap bubble. Society history, soft landing, software engineering, software application, soil pollution, solar cycle, solar flare, solar power, solar heating, solar ultraviolet. Solar storm, solid core, solid layer, solid structure, solid understanding, solid metal, sometimes think, song title, sonic boom, sound wave. Source type, south area, space telescope, space probe, space race, space mission, space research, space age, space travel, space program. Space capsule, space launch, space center, space tourism, spacecraft orbit, spacecraft design, spatial dimension, special relativity, special filter, special class. Special condition, special feature, specific solution, specimen collection, spectral line, spectral band, speed increase, spherical shell, spider web, spin resonance, spin system, spin axis, spiral galaxy, spiral pattern, spiral structure, spiral shape, spontaneous emission, sports ground, spotlight, spring equinox, spring season, spring tide, spy satellite, square meter, stable state, stable system, stage event, stand outside, standard unit, standby mode, standing wave, star cluster, starlight, star map, star shine, star sky, star chart, star alliance, starry night, start value, starting condition, state administration, state assembly, state representative, station design, station capacity, statistical physics, statistical interpretation, steadily accumulate, steady stream, steady growth, steady motion, steep gradient, stellar evolution, stellar wind, stellar mass, stiff resistance, still unresolved, stochastic process, stop light, stop operation, storage reservoir, storm system, storm activity, storm weather, strange place, strategy plan, stress fracture, stress syllable, stretch bending, strike ground, strike target, striking appearance, strong field, strong emotion, strong bond, strong resemblance, strong radiation, strong impression, strong pull, strong tide, strong drive, structural integrity, structure property, structure formation, study law, study astronomy, study map, subdivision, subatomic particle, subject field, subsequent history, substantially different, substantially less, successful landing, successful model, successful operation, successfully predict, such influence, such manipulation, such position, such moment, sudden collapse, sudden upsurge, suddenly appear, suddenly break, suddenly collapse, suddenly change, sufficiently high, sufficiently close, some number, sun ray, sunlight, supernatural phenomenon, supersonic flow, support staff, support statement, supreme being, surface rock, surface material, surface composition, surface brightness, surface evaporation, surface color, surface collapse, surveillance network, survey result, symmetrical pattern, system disk, system break, system interaction, system subject, system data, system evolution, systematic error, systematic search, table number, tail section, take picture, take order, take photograph, take camera, tall mountain, team report, team start, technical aid, technical way, technical challenge, technically feasible, technique measure, technological application, telescopic observation, television set, television signal, television audience, temperature distribution, temperature measurement, temperature measure, temperature value, temporal dimension, terminal velocity, terrain feature, terrestrial life, test target, then say, then stop, theoretical aspect, theoretical framework, theoretical physics, theoretical result, theoretical understanding, theoretical problem, theoretical concept, theoretical chemistry, theoretical limit, theoretical prediction, theoretical value, theoretically possible, thermal radiation, thermal stress, thermal transfer, thermal pressure, thermal system, thick crust, thick cloud, thick atmosphere, thick smoke, thick slab, thick base, thin crust, thin cloud, thin shell, thin stream, think positive, third way, thought experiment, threshold value, throw ball, thrust fault, thrust system, thunder lightning, tidal force, tie together, tightly bind, timeline, tiny star, too distant, too salty, too volatile, top right, top range, topographic feature, topographic map, topographic mapping, total eclipse, total charge, total capacity, total size, toxic gas, trace gas, track target, trade practice, traditional symbol, traffic accident, transfer protocol, transform process, transient phenomenon, transient state, transition region, transmission station, transmit signal, transport process, trap heat, travel fast, travel slowly, travel light, treat cancer, true color, true reality, tsunami wave, TV camera, TV set, twin brother, twisting motion, 2/5, typical sequence, typically limited, ultimate cause, ultimate purpose, ultraviolet wavelength, ultraviolet ray, unanimous vote, unanswered question, uncertainty principle, uncertainty relation, underlying reality, understand nature, understand reality, understanding ability, unethical behavior, unexpected change, unexpected discovery, unidentified object, uniform motion, uniform state, uniform temperature, uniform way, unique number, unique position, unique design, unique point, unique phenomenon, unique method, unit cell, unit time, unit structure, unit mass, unit energy, unit power, unit size, universal gravitation, universe expand, university library, unknown planet, unknown object, unsolved problem, unstable condition, unused land, unusually large, unusually low, unusually cold, upcoming edition, upper boundary, upper bound, upper corner, upper stage, upper deck, uppermost layer, use telescope, use filter, use article, use connection, useful life, useful measure, useful instrument, useful purpose, usual practice, usual form, usual process, usually appear, usually last, usually show, valuable tool, value measure, various language, various strategy, vast difference, vast ocean, vast size, vast space, vast sea, vast pool, vastly improve, very bright, very accurate, very intense, very beautiful, very easy, very powerful, very stable, very tiny, very flat, very great, very satisfactory, very eccentric, very predictable, viable option, video show, video image, view angle, view image, viewpoint, viewing angle, visible matter, visible part, visible image, visible object, vision processing, visual observation, visual method, void space, volcanic crater, volume increase, volume density, vortex structure, warm surface, water fountain, water reservoir, wave function, wave equation, wave pattern, wave amplitude, wave band, wave information, waxing moon, weak force, weak field, weak spot, weak efficiency, weak structure, weather forecaster, web system, website state, well place, well express, well protect, well prepare, well recognize, wet sand, when charge, whistle sound, white spot, white light, white line, white powder, whole globe, whole universe, wide field, wide crater, widespread recognition, wind flow, wind erosion, word combination, word usage, workspace, worker protection, working definition, working level, world literature, world religion, worldwide organization, wrong idea, wrong time, yearly cycle, yellow light, yet do, yield information, young star, young population, youthful look, 0 degree, 0 point, zodiac sign,